the messenger for you. He don't want no tie, he don't want no boxers, and he don't want no socks. You buy that stuff for him on a regular Thursday when you just want to show him that you appreciate him real quick and you was thinking about him. That's when you do that. Yeah, I did a whole TikTok shop video thinking I'm recording, and the whole time the video was not recorded. So I'm just sitting here talking to myself pretty much. Like, I mean, I am always talking to myself, but I was literally talking to myself because the video was not recorded. I wasn't gonna come on here until tomorrow because I already posted like 6 videos, but this came. I'm really excited for this. I'm gonna show this to you guys. I'm gonna open it. This is 420 friendly, so you know, do what it do. You do the thing, and you got kids. You gonna love this. So stay to the end. If people be stealing your stuff, or you think people be stealing your stuff, you really just too much. I know. I got some TikTok shop finds. So that just pissed me off, y'all. Like, I was almost finished. Like, I had did all the TikTok shop finds, and I gotta do it again. Anyway, look at this romper. I mean, romper. See, I'm just unboxing it. Look at this bodysuit. It is so sexy now. It looks like a jean material, but it's not a jean material. It feels kind of like cotton. This is what the back look like. So this was the size of like, now that's what I like about it. Like, this is like so this is gonna come up to probably like right here. You'll probably be able to see like a little bit of your stomach. But the material is very soft and it has thumb holes. Cute. I have another dress from Populous. You guys remember that other dress, the cheetah print dress with the shapewear built in? If you're going out for Valentine's Day on your dinner date, or you got like a really nice vacation you're going on, or you're going to an elegant dinner, somebody asks you on a date, you need something right. This is really cute. Like, it's very long and it has like that little sexy split in the middle right there. Well, not in the middle. I think it's on the side. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Like, this looks sexy. This is not look sexy. We're gonna try it on. This does come in a couple colors. If you're not gonna wait for me to try it on, you're just ready to buy it. You like shapewear, cute dress. It's gonna be right there. This and this are from the same company. I also have some leggings from them. Their clothing is tea, like the quality of their clothing is tea, and I love how they add little extra details into their clothing. So this is a bodysuit, but look at the details in this bodysuit. Now, one is a turtleneck. I love that. But do you see, like that is so sexy. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. Like, I need to go out on a date or something. And I like how they put their like logo in it, but this is like 3D. Like, it's so sexy. Like, their clothes are tea. The quality is everything. This is the name of the brand, by the way. And I have some leggings from them that look just like this. It's black with this like this leather outline on it, and it makes my butt look amazing. I'm so excited to try this on. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but we're gonna find somewhere to wear this. Talking about they want to take me out on a date, but don't nobody take me out on a date. I'm just so confused. Like, I have to come. Bro, I want to take you out. I want to hang out with you. I want to go somewhere and do something with you. But they never planned nothing. Like, is he cool? Anyways, I got these men's boxers. I love wearing men's boxers. I don't know about you, but I like men's boxers. I like walking around the house in them. These feel really soft, and they come in the 12 pack, so you get all these boxers for $24 or $20, something like that, and they all have different designs. You tie your man in them crusty, dusty boxers. You bend over and you see all the little dinky stains, and you tired of seeing them little skid marks in his pants when you wash them. I know how your man walking around with them holy ass boxers. You should buy these for him. These are the size small. They feel really soft. This is like a really buttery soft material, and you're gonna be comfortable in these. I'm wearing them around the house because I like to wear men's boxers around the house. That's what I'm for him. I mean, Christmas is coming up. Even though he don't want boxers, he don't want ties, he don't want socks. That's all you guys keep buying him. So it's good. Even though the men did say they tired of y'all not putting effort into their gifts. This is a nice little quality pack. I think you should just buy this for him just cause. Just like, hey babe, I was thinking about you and I bought you these rather than buying your man some boxers and ties for Christmas. He don't want that shit for Christmas. Like, put some effort into his gift. This is something you just buy him on a regular. Like, you know, I want to show my man I appreciate him. I've been thinking about him. I see his boxes is looking a little dingy. Look here, babe, this for you. Yeah, don't nigga want no fucking boxes for Christmas. I'm gonna be the messenger for you. He don't want no tie. He don't want no boxers, and he don't want no socks. You buy that stuff for him on a regular Thursday when you just want to show him that you appreciate him real quick and you was thinking about him. Y'all welcome. I know y'all wanted somebody to say it for you. That was a female. I'm still a girl's girl. I'm just like, you know, you want to keep your man. You gotta put in more effort. Even more effort. Don't these look so cute? I don't wonder are these comfortable. They got little jewels on the side. This might just be something that you wear for your man rather than you wear outside. Like, I think we don't see. Okay, it don't feel like it's uncomfortable. These are sexy though. It's soft material too. It's like a silky material, but it's like a cotton material in the inside because you know we need that cotton spot right there. But this material feels very soft. It has like really strong odor though. It needs to be washed or something. God damn, it smells like I'm sorry. It smells like acetone or something. Like, I don't know. Maybe air it out or wash it or something. But ooh, this quality is tea. You see that? That's sexy. And it's like the quality is very soft on the inside, so that's not gonna bother you. Like, there's a silk material here and it's really thick here, so this like cutesy wootsy thing is not gonna bother you. But oh, the diamonds is nice. These are actual diamonds. Okay, they feel quality. Like, they don't feel like they're gonna come off. I'm scratching the shit out of these. You hear it? Hello. Cute. Hello. Like, imagine you taking off your pants and your man see this. What he gonna do? You know what he gonna do. Now these come in a couple colors. I forgot how much this cost. Like, I just seen it and it was cute. And I was like, sure, I'll do a video for you. See that? Can never go wrong with new underwear. I think the smell is coming from the glue, like on here. I'm pretty sure they probably have to use glue to adhese this. So yeah, I probably might want to wash them or let them air out. Just because like the smell is really strong. It's like a really strong acetone smell, but they're really soft. They're real silky. They do have the cotton in the middle, but this is like a silk material, which I love. It feels very soft, very sexy. Like, these are very cute. I think you just gonna have to wash them a little bit, get that smell out, or let them air out. I'll call you guys back and let you know if they smell air out. I'll let you guys know later. I got this. This shit smells so good. I would use this. I love this. This is for your hair. This is a hair perfume. This one smells like warm sugar, like it's giving like bakery. Perfect for like if you don't, you self-conscious about the way your hair smells, you know, feel me? You just came from the gym, you don't want to smell like sweat, you know, you feel me? When you hug somebody, they can smell that. You don't want to smell like sweat, or you feel me? You wear wigs and your wig be smelling stale because you don't be washing your shit. I don't know why you don't be washing your wig, but this went over the 10 minutes, and I tried to go add more to this video. Why did she post it to my stories? I just can't be great today. Anyways, that's a sign. I should go finish my essay. I gotta go do an essay. Let me hurry up and finish. Anyways, I said I was gonna save that for last. I got this cute little makeup, and why did it come with its own little like duster? This big old duster for this little bit of makeup, but it's so cute. I have all this makeup, and I don't wear it. Like I want to go out more. I have the makeup. I got the clothes. I just need the events. Feel me? Hint, hint, brands. If you guys want to invite me out to something. Anyways, the color right here, and then this is the color of the lip liner. I want to try this. This little combo. It's gonna be cute. We can try it maybe tomorrow. I think I'm doing the wig after I finish my essay. I don't know. Let me finish this essay first before I like start doing more content. I do want to go try the other wig, but I need a new wig on. Now it's time for the best friend answer. Look at this pretty little box. You see what it's called. You see, I had my eye on this for months. So when they sent me the collaboration invite, I was like, hell yes, I do want to. How to set your lock. This has a lock on it, so that's gonna teach you how to set the lock. They put some stickers, but they're cute. More stickers. Now you see the lock. It comes with the lock. So I have to learn to set this up first before I close it. My eye on this for like a year, y'all, and I've been trying to get one of these. And the brand was finally like, the little trays. And so you know what? This was just like separate video. I ain't even gonna go deep into it with you guys. But you get everything. Nobody ever stealing your stuff again, and it fits in perfectly. Set this up in the next video. It's very pretty. So you come back. I'm gonna go put the stickers on it and everything. But yeah, so that's it. Come back if you want to see me set this up. It's really heavy too. This is like really nice quality. You want to see me set this up? Come back to the next video. I'll probably post it tomorrow because I already posted enough videos today and I need to go do my essay. So I'm gonna put the stickers on this today and then I'll come back and really like dive into this tomorrow. I'm gonna read how to set up the password and all that. It's fire. Anyways, see you later.